Now we'll be diving into the Manager dashboard, designed to provide quick access to essential team management tools and analytics. The Manager dashboard begins with core metrics similar to the employee dashboard, like home, attendance, leave, reimbursement, and onboarding. However, it has one key addition: the hiring menu. From the home page, managers can access the entire team's data in just a few clicks. Here, you can easily view critical team information, including detailed insights into team performance, hiring progress, employee leave balances, and even reimbursement totals, all in one place. With the Manager dashboard, managing your team's operations becomes effortless, allowing you to track and oversee all aspects of team details, hiring, and employee welfare, all from a single, intuitive interface. Thanks for watching this quick overview of the Manager dashboard.